Yo, yo, yo! It's me again at Chow. So, this is the good news for tank mains. So, in 126, server 126 is that's exclusive weapons out. So, as a free to play, can't buy it, can't have it, not until the black market opens after season 5. But I asked a friend uh, to send me a battle report, since he's probably Aaron said he is going to buy stats weapon. So I asked him to buy it, and he managed to level him at 26. So hopefully, uh, we're actually hoping he can upgrade it, or uh, upgrade it to 30 for better, experiment. But let's check on stats, exclusive weapon. So here it is. So here's the look, the level 1, the level 10, level 20, and then the level 30. So some actually, I don't know about you guys. You have our own opinion, but I do like uh, I do like his design. It's look like a Gundam or something like, and the color the gold color is like Bumblebee for me. So I like it. It's like a Gundam, and this one, the center is the head or the pilot cockpit. So let's check on the skills. So for the first skill, attack one enemy dealing energy damage equal to 519.48% of attack plus additional shield damage equal to 100% of attack to the target. So shield damage resolved before all other damage, ignores the target's defense, reduce damage taken, and damage resistance attribute, directly dealing damage equal to the percentage of attack to the target shield, only damages the shield and does not reduce target's HP. If the target has no shield, no damage is dealt. So if you have seen my previous video about stats, or my prediction about stats weapon, this is what I'm talking about. So we didn't see this description before, and others are actually not happy about the 100% shield damage, and the description that if the enemy doesn't have a shield, then the shield damage is useless. So again, guys, as what I have said before, shield damage is a shield break skill. It only works on shield. Okay, it hits harder. You, like for example, stat will hit. Stat will hit like 1,000, and if an enemy hits, if stat hits an enemy with a shield, he will hit harder, because he will be this shield damage will be hitting a shield. Okay, so that's different from normal damage, or normal attacks. This shield damage is different from normal damage. Okay, so it's specifically designed for breaking shields. And as what I've said before, I am actually expecting that, since they only give stats shield damage 100% of attack to the target. I was hoping that all the damage reduction won't be won't work won't work on his shield damage, or it won't matter for his shield damage. Like if Kim is hitting If Kim and Stet has the same same attack, for example, like 1,000 1,000 damage each attack, and damage reduction would be 30%, energy damage reduction, so both of them would be hitting only 700 damage, right? Because the 30% would deduct 30% damage. Pretty simple, right? But with stats shield damage, it will still hit 1,000 damage uh, when it activates, because it ignores the target's defense, reduce the damage taken, and damage resistance attribute. And possibly it's not, I don't know, possibly it would hit more than 1,000. So against aircraft, stat is better than Kim now. So Kim, yes, she is still better, I think, for me, against tank and missile. But for aircraft, stat is the best. The best. Your stat is your guy. So so what do I mean about the damage reduction? So this is the damage reduction actually that let's check the weapon. This is the damage reduction that Lucius has. So there is a damage reduction here. Boost all allies energy damage reduction. Energy damage reduction. Stat is energy damage. By 23% provides a shield up to 3% of Lucius maximum HP. And then also Carly has it. Carly also have a damage reduction. So lowering the energy damage. Yeah, there. Lowering the energy damage of her opponent. So attack and reducing the target's attack by 50%. So damage reduction, it won't work on stat anymore. So stat would be hitting a lot harder when he's up against aircraft. So that's a good news, since we all know about the aircraft team. They are leaving because of their shield, Lucius, and especially Lucius. Then Carlos shield. But honestly, I think there's a bug on Stet's exclusive weapon. So we'll watch the battle report Aaron sent us. For the second skill, each auto attack grants charge. So what is charge? Each auto attack grants one charge, maximum of three. Maxing out at three charges. When fully charged, Statman's bonus skill effect from the exclusive weapon will be triggered. So this will be triggered, the shield damage. And when fully charged, attack three enemies in the back row. So that's every third attack. The third attack would be directed to the back row. Okay, remember that, guys. So the first two attack is attack in the front line, and the third one will be directed at the back line. Dealing energy damage equal to 120% of attack, and additional shield damage equal to 100% of attack to the target. Okay? So this one, so we can actually show this, since Aaron's uh, status only has a level 26 exclusive weapon yet. So this will grant status shield that can resist one crowd control skill, like stun from Skyler. So let's watch the battle report. Okay, let's count stats attack. So that's one, that's two. It didn't go directly on the back line. It still went to Carly. Again, let's count again. Let's wait for one, two. Where's the third one? Oh, cancelled. There's the third one. It didn't reach or it didn't attack the back row. So there's still a bug on stats exclusive weapon. This is much clearer. As you can see, it doesn't attack the back row. It is still attacking the front lines. Now on this battle report, uh, Aaron do have the advantage on almost everything. I think he has the advantage on every category. Advantage here, exclusive weapon. On gears is still one, two, three, four, five, six. No, seven. Seven mythic gear more than his opponent. So on the tech, uh, the, yeah, the tech is pretty equal. Though his opponent has 1% on tactical weapon, but it's it's pretty much the same. And what else? So for the drone, Aaron has the advantage again. Skill chip, Aaron again. Data, drone component, same. Gorilla, Aaron has the advantage again, but pretty close. And the tech is almost the same. For the decoration, pretty close. And then for the tactic cards, his opponent got the advantage since he forgot to change the the zombie tactic cards. And for the both T11, and then both war leader, and then for wall of honor, he has the advantage 1954 versus 1781. So it is practically in this match is actually on Aaron's favor. But as you all can see, there's still a bug on Stet's weapon that it doesn't attack the backline hero, or this still doesn't work. So this one. When fully charged, attack three enemies in the back row, dealing energy damage equal to 120% of the attack, and additional shield damage equal to 100% of that attack. 100% of attack to the target. So there's still a bug. I hope they can fix this soon, and Aaron can send me another battle report to check. And so that's it. So it looks like it is this batch of exclusive weapon would be the counter for their counter. So just like Fiona Fiona's exclusive weapon is designed to fight against tanks, because she will be removing the buffs, like the buff uh Williams is giving Williams exclusive weapon is giving the team, and even Murphy's shield, and then Marshall's buff also. So uh, Fiona will be removing them throughout the battle. So she is designed to fight against tank. And now Stet is designed to fight against aircraft, which is aircraft is the counter for tanks. And for Morrison, for the last exclusive weapon for season 5. So eh, you already know what would be his exclusive weapon. Probably, or surely it would be a counter against missile team. So we have to check it out when Morrison's weapon, exclusive weapon, is released. But for now, let's wait until they fix Stetman's exclusive weapon. Uh, I really do think, or it really looks like there's a bug there. It doesn't go. His three attacks doesn't go, or the third attack of the charge doesn't go directly at the backline heroes, no, the back row. So let's wait until they fix it, and when they fixed it, Stat would be a lot more stronger, uh, since he would be attacking directly at the back now. And even though facing an aircraft with a diva front strategy, it will still hit hard. So that's it for now. And then good news for the tank mains. So for me, I'll be waiting for the black market to open before I can I can I can have I can unlock my stats exclusive weapon. So congratulations, tank team. Now you can't be. I'm still hoping we won't be bullied by aircraft that much anymore. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope this video managed to help you again. If you have comments, suggestions, or anything you want to say, just DM me or comment down below, and let me check on it and have a. I don't know. Maybe I can help. Maybe I don't. Maybe I don't. I don't know yet. So let me hear out first. So okay. So that's it for now. Bye bye.